Hi besties, I'm going to be making some flour tortillas today. We're going to need 2 ingredients. The first one is just some vegetable shortening, and I just use the Crisco kind, and then some all-purpose flour. So I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 6 tablespoons of vegetable shortening and 1.5 cups of water. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour my shortening in here and just start combining it with the flour. And I do boil my water and then I just let it cool down. Then we're gonna start to add the water little by little. And the water is a little hot. I'm not really sure if we're gonna need all of the water, so we'll see right now. But I did measure out 1.5 cups. And as you can see, the dough is getting very sticky right now. I think I'm gonna pour all of the water. See how sticky it is right here, you guys? This is exactly what we want. And we're gonna continue to knead the dough. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of flour on here just so I can knead the dough right here. Just so it doesn't get all stuck right there. Just gonna put all of the dough on here. Then we're just gonna knead the dough for about 5 minutes. And see how already it's not as sticky. I did wash my hands again right now, and it's not so sticky anymore like it was when we were mixing it. And the dough is getting really soft at this point. And I've just been kneading it for 1 minute. So see, at this point, the dough is stretchy. It's no longer sticky. It's very soft. These tortillas are so good, you guys. If you want, you can also add salt. I never add salt to mine, but if you prefer, you can add some salt. And I'm a big fan of flour tortillas, even the store-bought ones, but the homemade ones are always my favorite for burritos. And if you guys have never made them, I hope you guys try them out. My favorite way to eat them is right when they come off the grill, to put some butter on it and roll it up in a taco. So yummy. Okay, so we've been kneading for about 5 minutes already. So now we're gonna have this little ball of dough right here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut out the circles for the tortillas. I'm just gonna grab it and squeeze. Grab it and squeeze. I'm gonna make some burritos, so my tortillas are gonna be a little bit bigger. So it might make about 10. If you want all of yours the same size, you can weigh them too if you want, but that just takes too long. Probably make 2 small ones from here. This one looks too big actually. Okay, so I got 9 balls, and remember mine are gonna be a little bit big because I'm making burritos. Just gonna put them back here again. Then I'm gonna cover them with the damp paper towel and just leave them for about 10 minutes. Let's just put a little bit of flour on here. And just start rolling it out. And see how it's not coming out so round, you guys? That's okay. You can always stretch it and form it into like a rounder shape. So don't worry about that. Okay, I'm just gonna leave mine like that. Mine never come out round, you guys. No big deal. They're so yummy. Everyone's gonna eat them. When you roll it up in a taco or a burrito, it's the same thing. So I have my temperature on a 7. And when it starts getting these little bubbles, that's when we want to flip it over. And then we're gonna flip it one more time. Just push it in the middle and it's gonna start to rise, you guys. You see? So at this point, we're gonna take it out and look at how nice the tortilla looks. Again, guys, we're gonna pour a little bit of flour. Okay. Then we're just gonna start to roll it out. And see how this one's not looking so round, you guys? You can just pull on it a little bit. This is good enough for me, you guys. Here goes the next one. And as you can see, the edges will start turning like a darker color, but we don't want to turn it just yet. We want it to start getting the bubbles on the top. You see, you can see these, and you can see some smaller ones. We're just gonna leave it for a little bit more. And if you do want to check it, you can. So at this point, we're just gonna flip it. We just want it to cook a little bit on the other side. And I usually only flip my tortillas 3 times. So see how nice it looks on this side already? And push it in the middle again, and it's gonna rise. Look, you guys, how nice it's rising right here. So this one's ready. Start rolling it out. I feel like if I take my time rolling it out and not just go like back and forth really fast, it gets a better shape. I'm gonna keep on rolling out all of the tortillas. I just wanted to show you guys a few of them so you guys can have an idea of how I roll them out. I usually don't always make them round, you guys, so it's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. They're gonna be so yummy if you guys try them out. I'm gonna continue to finish up the tortillas so I can feed my kids. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, besties.